We're very, very happy to see the latest investment by Pan Caribbean Sugar, over $1 million United States dollars in farm equipment, agricultural equipment that will help them to run a much more efficient operation. So you would have seen they're now mechanizing their harvesting process, bringing in new harvesters, bringing in new balers, all sorts of equipment that are critical in our sugarcane industry. So we're very, very happy to see the investment, and we want to commend the Pan Caribbean team. In fact, when we met with them last year, they would have committed to us that if we provide them with some support, which we provided directly in the last sugar crop to the farmers of St. Elizabeth, that they would give the investment to continue to ensure the survival of this critical, not just infrastructure, this critical industry in this part of the island.
Moving forward, based upon the current situation, you can see we have some developments based upon those new equipment introducing, and we are looking for a better production ratio than before with the help of this new equipment. And if it turns out to be good, then more investment will be coming.
What I was happy to hear today in our meeting with the farmers and the harvest committee is that FROM is now saying to farmers, invest in farming, go back into sugarcane production, because they have raised their efficiency, they have looked at the price of cane, and now it is profitable.